This is the Floral Spray Die set from Spellbinders. There are 24 different dies in this set, and it can be used on its own or it coordinates perfectly with the Bayfair card making kit, also released through Spellbinders. I love using die sets like these to create lots and lots of little die cut pieces before I start creating. The variety of sizes in the dies makes it great for using up a lot of cardstock scraps. And by having lots of pieces ready to go, it makes card making so much easier. If by chance I have leftovers, I put them in little Ziploc bags, keep them with the same die set so that next time I'm creating, I have a bunch of pieces already cut, ready to go. I love the variety of cards that they created, and because of the large variety of flowers available in this set, you can create so many different looks. When I'm creating with floral die cuts like this or smaller or variety of sizes of die cuts, I love using liquid glue in a fine tip bottle. It makes it so easy to be able to place the amount of glue that's necessary for that particular size die cut. I can also use that same glue for assembling my cards. By using liquid glue, I have room to shimmy things in place, tuck leaves behind others, and it makes the card making so much easier. This is a fantastic die set with so many different options, and it's going to be used for many years to come.